How to connect Google Maps to I20 car. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you will learn how to connect Google Maps to your Hyundai i20 using Android Auto. This guide will ensure you have a great navigation right on your car's display. Step 1. Prepare your phone and car. Ensure your Android phone is running Android 6.0 or higher. Confirm that your Hyundai i20 supports Android Auto. Turn on your phone's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Step 2. Connect your phone via USB. Use a high-quality USB cable to connect your phone to the car's USB port. On your phone, you will see a prompt to launch Android Auto. Tap Continue. Grant the necessary permissions when prompted. Step 3. Enable Android Auto on your car's display. On the car's infotainment screen, press the Setup button. Navigate to Device Connections and select Phone Projection. Tap on Android Auto settings and enable Android Auto. Step 4. Launch Google Maps. Once Android Auto is active, tap the Google Maps icon on your card screen. You can now use voice commands or the touchscreen to navigate. Optional: set up wireless Android Auto. If your Hyundai i20 supports wireless Android Auto, pair your phone with the car via Bluetooth. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the wireless setup. Once connected, Android Auto will launch automatically when you start your car. And that's it. You successfully connected Google Maps to your Hyundai i20 using Android Auto. Now, you can enjoy hands-free navigation and a safer driving experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more guides like this. Drive safely. See you in the next video. Thanks.